Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the Godzilla King of Monsters 4K Ultra HD 3D Blu-ray and Blu-ray unboxing, and I'll also share some details about this set. Firstly, let's look at the front cover. This comes with a slip cover. This is an Indian edition released in India by Excel Home Videos or Excel Innovators. So this includes 3 discs. The first one being the 4K, second one being the 3D, and the third one being the regular Blu-ray disc. And here are the special features. Experience a world of stunning visual effects, exclusive featurettes, deleted scenes, commentary, Godzilla 2.0, and many other features. This has got multiple audio languages and subtitles as well. So let me just open it up for you. Okay. So here is the slip cover, and here's the case. And let me open this up for you. This is the 4K disc. And here is the 3D disc on the left and the regular disc on the right. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to buy this, I'm going to put a link on the description. You can go ahead and buy this one. There's also a 2-disc set available in 4K. Also comes up in steelbook versions. A regular Blu-ray and 3D Blu-ray is also available. I'll add in the link. Also follow us on Facebook, and please like this video, share it, and leave a comment if you liked it. Thank you so much.